Good evening, students. So today is Thursday, and it is almost 4:30. And let me tell you that in my previous video, I had explained. I had given you a background of the story. His first flight. We can discuss some questions of the story, and also we will discuss title and writer's name, who is the writer, means Liam O, clarity, etc. Now today in this period I will tell you what I will go by passage and I will explain. So I hope that you have textbook with you and also notebook. If you want to note something then you can note. So be ready with your pen, notebook and textbook. So if you have textbook, please see page number 31. Now let us start. His first flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge. Student, we will discuss till here. Now, what is the opening scene of the story? What is the, we can say that starting scene of the story? That scene is that, let us say that there is young seagull. Seagull means samudri pakshi. This one is the major character. Now, who are the characters or what are the characters in our story? Characters means patra. The main character or the hero of the story is young seagull. Seagull means pakshi, samudri pakshi. Young means lahan. So first one is young seagull. Then this young seagull has two brothers. Of course, seagulls brothers are also seagulls only, and this third one is a one sister. Also, this seagull has one mother and father. So total this one is a family of this young seagull. So who are the characters? There is a young seagull. Then young seagull has two brothers. Then one sister. Then mother and father. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 and 6. Total there are 6 people, 6 birds in the family. And now this is the story about these seagulls. And the first paragraph, it tells us that this young seagull is sitting alone in the ledge. Ledge. Ledge means what? Horizontal hole in the cliff. असं तो कडा असतो खडकाचा, त्याच्यामध्ये देवळी सारखं जे असतं त्याला लेज म्हणायचं. देवळ वगैरे तुम्हाला माहित असेल, देवळ जे भिंतीमध्ये असे असते, भिंतीमध्ये असं शेल्फ वगैरे सगळं टाकायचं असतं, तसं ते कडा जो असतो समुद्र किनाऱ्याला खडकाचा कडा, त्याच्यात अशी जी देवळ असते त्याला लेज म्हणतात. आणि या लेज मध्ये पक्षी जे असतात ते घरटे करत असतात. सीगल, समुद्र किनारी राहणारे पक्षी. And what is the food for these seagulls? The food for seagulls is catching fish. They fly over the surface of water and then they again go down and they catch fish in their beaks and they come up or they fly up and again they go to the that ledge. So this is the lifestyle of seagull, and it is a tradition that they generally it happens that all seagulls food is fish and they live at the seashore where there is a cliff. क्लिप मीन्स समुद्री कडा. समुद्री कड्याच्या जवळ राहायला या पक्ष्याला आवडतं. त्या पक्ष्याचं अन्न हे समुद्रातील मासे असतं आणि मासे पकडायला शिकणं हे प्रत्येक सीगलसाठी महत्त्वाचं असतं. So this young seagull, this one is a young seagull, and this young one is sitting in the ledge. And this bird is alone. Why alone? Because his two brothers, one sister, mother, and father, they all have gone one day before. Means yesterday only they have gone to search their food, and they did not return. And this young seagull is waiting for them because his whole family, means two brothers, one sister, mother, father, they have gone to catch fish and they did not return since yesterday. So this young seagull, as usual, is waiting for them. He thinks that they will come back, they will bring fish for this seagull, and then this seagull will eat fish and he will be happily sleep in the ledge. But it was happening till today, but today was a different day, or today was the test day of this seagull. It was the exam of this seagull, or let us say it was the test of this seagull. Why it was test? Because his mother and father, they were all expecting that these two brother and sister of seagull, they have learned how to fly. They have learned how to find their own prey. They have learned how to find their own food. But this young seagull, because it is cowardice, that it cannot fly. And this young seagull says that if when it is alone in the ledge, and when he comes to the brink of ledge, brink means cut. When that seagull comes walking to the brink of that ledge, and then he sees outside, and what he finds, that there is a big sky in front of him. There is a big space. Above there is a blue sky, and down there is a blue sea, S-E. And that sea is stretched far and long because it is a big water, and that is why this sea is stretched. And he thinks that if I try to fly and if I spread my wings will not support me. I will fall down. And when I will fall down, I will not fall on the land. It is okay to fall on the land. And somehow that seagull or this young seagull can be survived, though by injured. But this seagull thinks that if I fall down, I will fall in the water and I will die. So there is two options only for this seagull. Two options. One is do or die. Do or die means either he can do or he can die. When he will fly. But what is next and very important thing, that these brothers and sister, they are younger. means हे त्याचे छोटे भाऊ आहेत. हा एक छोटा भाऊ आहे, ही छोटी बहीण आहे ह्या सीगलची, आणि ते कधीच उडायला शिकलेत आणि ते कधीच त्यांचं अन्न शोधायला सुद्धा शिकलेत. पण तरी हा छोटा पक्षी जो आहे तो बाहेर जात नाही, कारण ह्या दोन मध्ये, त्याच्या भावंडामध्ये आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फरक काय? कारण की हा जो आहे ही लॅक्स करेज, म्हणजे त्याच्याकडे करेज नाही. ही लॅक्स करेज, ही इज ऑल्सो कवर्डिस, and that is why he cannot fly. Physically he is fit. All that needs naturally he has. Means he has wings. His wings are also powerful. But only he doesn't have confidence. He has doubt on his capacity, and that is why he cannot go out. And that is why he is sitting in the ledge, and he is waiting for his mother. He is waiting for his brother, sister, and father. He thinks that yesterday and day before yesterday, as his father and mother, they have been feeding him. Feed means khau galne. His mother and father, they bring food for him. In the same way, here today also they will bring food for him. And so this young seagull is waiting for them. He thinks that they will come and they will bring food and then I will eat, etc. But also somewhere he knows that today is the test, and his father and mother might have decided that today he should find his own food. Today he must fly, otherwise it will be all useless. Otherwise he can die without food. He can starve म्हणजे भुकेने मरणे. He can starve, and this was the what his father and mother were expecting. And so next para. There he slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. For the life of him. Two, three things are very important. The first thing is that, what is the first fact? That first fact is that his young brothers and sisters, their wings are shorter. You know, his brothers and sisters, their wings are shorter. Means he has a brother and sister and they are smaller. Their wings are shorter and still they have learnt how to fly, because and also they have learned how to find the food. But this one young seagull, this one is the major character. This young seagull could not fly or cannot fly because he is physically well, but he does not have courage. He is a coward, and that is why he cannot fly. And his young brother and sister, they can fly. And today he is waiting there in his ledge that his mother will come or father will come and they will bring food, etc. But today mother is not coming, father is not coming with food. They come, but they have come, they upbraid. Upbraid means scold. रागवणे. आई वडील रागवतात की लवकर उठून ये, भरारी घे, बाहेर पड, समुद्रावर भरारी मार, मासे पकड आणि तुझं तू आता अन्न पकडायला शिक, तुझं तू अन्न मिळवायला शिकून घे. But this young seagull, he comes to the brink of ledge, he tries to fly, but again his courage does not support him. He could not muster his courage. Muster courage means धैर्य एकवटणे, muster courage. So this young seagull could not muster courage, and that is why he moves back. He always tried to come out and to fly, but he moves back because he thinks that his wings will not support him, and then when he will jump, when he will plunge, plunge. Plunge means भरारी मारण्यासाठी उडी घेणे. When he will plunge, he thinks that he will not soar or he will not float. Float means तरंगणे. He will fall down in the sea and he will die. But it was the wish of his father and mother. It was the great wish of his father and mother that they wanted that this young seagull should learn how to catch the fish, how to find the fish. Because for his whole life they cannot feed him, and we have tradition that children are fed till they are young, but once they are grown up, it is time that they should find their own way of finding food. They should search for their food and they should be able to bring their food. And those parents are very proud of such children. Now next paragraph, that was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock, while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle, and all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him for his cowardice. Now see, student, that here is a young seagull. What happens here about young seagull? That young seagull is very afraid that whether he can fly or not fly. He is not sure about it. And day before, what happened? That his brother and sister, they had learned, and their parents had encouraged them. When his young brother and brothers and sister, when they were flying over the sea, and when they were catching the fish, their parents were very proud of their children. They were circling and flying around the birds, and then what happened that here that bird the birds, that brothers and sisters, they were also giving response to the support given by their parents. But here it was this young seagull was all watching through the ledge. It was sitting in the ledge and watching the scene, what is happening, and it was in his heart. It was burning. Why he was burning? Because his younger brothers, younger sisters, they have learned how to catch the fish, how they are flying, and how their parents are, how his parents are proud of his brother and sister. But his parents are not proud of this young seagull. Why they are not proud? Because he cannot fly. And so his parents are at one time they are scolding this young seagull, whereas his parents are encouraging, or we can say admiring, his brother and sisters. So this was a little bit different situation for them. Now the sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. Paragraph finish. The sun was ascending. Ascend means varvar jane. The sun was ascending and it was blazing. The atmosphere was becoming hotter and hotter. It means we understand, since the atmosphere is becoming hotter and day is going up, it means it is a morning time. And this morning is turning to afternoon or midday. And so we understand that what is a good time for birds to catch the fish. The good time for birds to catch the fish is morning time. And so if he is late, then he can do nothing, because the south direction was becoming hot and hot, and so that is why the sun was coming up and up, and the bird was becoming more anxious. Anxious means चिंतित होने, भीति में आतुर होने. This bird was thinking that should I fly or not? Should I do this or not? And then all time he was under pressure. Let us say all time, yeah, morally he thought it is my duty. Morally he thought that I must do it. It is very important. It is universal truth that each bird should learn to fly. At the same time, his courage was not supporting him. His what we can say, uh, his wings. He thought that his wings are not powerful, and it was only his psychology. It was his only negative thinking that was moving him back. Otherwise, physically he was fit. Naturally, it was the time for him to fly and to catch fish. And so day was going up, and he was in tension that if my father and mother do not give me food, then I will die without food. And remember, to die without food is a shame. Shame. If it is in natural calamity, natural trouble, if the bird die, it is okay. But to die because of lack of food, and also it was in the capacity, but because of lack of courage, that bird could not get the food, It means it is a shame for this bird, and that is why his parents are also worried about this bird. They are scolding this bird. They are trying to, they are encouraging him, but when he fails his courage, again his parents are scolding him. Now next paragraph, students.